What's going on, guys? Lynette here. In today's video we are going to be unboxing Luxury Diva box. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. I've made my very most favorite subscription box. This is Luxury Divas, hot off the press of my mailbox. So Luxury Diva box, for those of you who don't know, it's a monthly subscription or it's a one-time subscription box, which I love that option for it, which lets you get fashion and accessories. So they give you, each month is themed towards something. I know this box here is themed for fall, and I have a $5 coupon code that I will put in the description also, so you guys can check it out for yourself and save yourself $5. If you choose the monthly subscription, it is $30. If you choose just to get one box to try it out, it's $35, but then again you get that $5 off code, so it really doesn't matter. You still save $5 either way, so you're not committed or you get committed to the subscription box. So I love this box. A couple months ago I got this. My husband bought this for me as a gift, my birthday gift. He asked me what I wanted, and of course I said a subscription box like a crazy person. So he got me a 3-month subscription box. I checked it out and I went away for it for a second just to try other fashion subscription boxes. The crazy thing about it is I didn't like the other ones, and for me it wasn't worth the prices that they were offering. So this is $30 or it's $25 if this is your first box, or if you just try it one time. For me, it's been well worth the price. So I'm definitely excited to come back. So I am now on a monthly subscription. So I am definitely excited. And stop yapping, Lynette. Let us just unbox to see exactly what is in the LD box this month. The cool thing about it is if you let them know, these are curated for you. So I remember the last box, not last month's box, not for August, but I think it was like May or something like that. I got like a floral dress, and I don't like florals. And the cool thing about it is if you let them know, hey, I don't want this, I don't want that, you can let them know I do not like florals, which I did let them know, so they can totally avoid that for your profile. And they put these together, unlike different clothing subscription boxes where they send you a bunch of stuff and you send it back and have to pay like a signing fee just to even see. This is not even like that. You get to keep everything that is in this box. So it's not a little box, it's a big box. So let's stop yapping, let's get into the box and see what came in the September box. So like I told you guys, every month you get a postcard from whoever put together your box. My box was put together by Marina. She said, wow, super, September sure creeped up on us. It really did, honestly, guys. Did summer just like totally go by for you? Not to change the subject, but it did for me. My son is in school and it's like crazy. Okay, she says, Marina says, this is my favorite season because she can layer. She chose some items that are perfect for upcoming change. I hope you love them. So we will see if I love them. I'm not really picky, so it's very simple, but florals, it just not a floral person. So each month they give you like some snacks. So I'm down with some gummy bears. I have to hide these because then my son will totally grab them, but we will put them to the side. So thank you guys for the snack this month. And then each month you get like a LD box insider, and it gives you some different style guides of what to do with items that may have came in your box. Doesn't mean these are what is in your box, but they're just giving you a different styles that you can do with your style, and that is the owner, Deborah. Now, for those of you who don't know, I don't see it here, but I see it on this, so I will show you this really quick. There you can see that LD box. Where is it? Right here. They were the #1 women's fashion subscription, which is totally cool. And again, each month you get this, which we're not going to take a look at, but it gives you the total value of everything that is in your box. So without looking at everything, because I love spoilers, if you guys don't know. And again, if you love subscriptions and spoilers and hauls and reviews, definitely make sure you like and subscribe. I know I'm totally late with that, but that's what we do here. So if you love those, definitely make sure you do that. This total value of this bag box is $126. So you pay $30, you pay $25, it's your first box. Whatever you paid, it still supersedes what you would have gotten for paying $30. So let us take a look and see what came for September. Seriously, I know I'm over yapping, but you guys don't realize I really love this box and it's totally worth it. Okay, so the very first thing I see, let me fix it here so it is in the middle, is we have this necklace. And let me just take a look here and see, so you guys can take a look at that yourself. This is a silver long filigree leaf necklace. Embrace the beauty of Mother Nature with your new filigree deep leaf necklace. Effortlessly pair with anything from a blouse to a sweater or an instant element and style. I love this. This is really pretty, and you can see the necklace is on the back. So I am definitely gonna get use out of that, and that was $20. So that's really pretty. And that is, you can see there, that was Luxury Divas. They put that together, so I am totally psyched. And then the next thing here is lashes for Daze. So you guys can see that there. Much better than what it was before. So let me just do that there instead. Okay, so lashes for Daze. This is Italia Deluxe Lashes for Daze Waterproof Mascara. Create glamorously defined lashes day after day with Italia Deluxe 3D Mascara. Use your new mascara when you desire intense curl and volume from the top to the bottom of every lash. This is a value of, this comes in black, and this is a value of $10. So we could always, I don't know about you ladies, we can always definitely use lashes. And I'll show you the, I'm not gonna open this up because you guys know if you don't know, I have a bunch of different subscription boxes, and with mascaras, you have like a 3-month window as to when after you open it. So I'm working on actually a new one right now, which I literally just opened to do this this video. This is what the wand looks. I know it's hard to look at a picture and just picture the wand, but that I just wanted to give you guys what it looked like. So this is more of a volumizing mask, an intense curl. So that is, those are those two, and that again is $10. And then the next item we have here is something in this little pouch. So let us take a look and see what is in this pouch. Oh, guys, this is really, really pretty. Let me show you that way. I haven't had, this is really pretty, guys. This is, let me see what this is. I like this. This is definitely my style, so I love it, love the color. I'm not a gold person, so thank God they didn't give me gold, because that is not me. Back in the day I totally was a gold person, but not anymore. I'm more of a silver person. So let me take a look to see what this one is about, so you guys can take a look also. Let me get that there for you. Okay, stainless steel watch with rhinestone bezel. A fine mesh strap looks impeccably glam next to the wide detail face of this dated night watch, adorned with sparkling rhinestones. This has a retail value of $20. So that is really, really nice. I'm digging this one. Y'all did good, guys. This one is really good. And that's the purpose of this one. I work from home, so I don't have to, and I know you guys probably get tired of me saying I do work from home, but so I'm not out there in the day-to-day having to get dressed up. But because I do work from home, sometimes that's redundant, so I don't have to get dressed. And when it's time to go out, it's like, what do you wear? So I kind of wanted a fashion subscription box, which would let me add to my closet, but without killing the bank, without killing my bank each month. So let me just fix this a little better so you guys can take a look and see how that looks on. There you go. So that is that is that. Not bad, not bad, not bad. There you go. Not bad at all. So we'll leave that on. And let me take it, and that's one thing I do love. They give you like one new jewelry that you can add to your collection, and there you go. So this is an infinity scarf, and this is black geometric print scarf. So this is really pretty. This let me see, retail value of this is $18. A really neat style like scarf is a smart choice for making a strong statement about your personality and style with endless styling potential. A scarf is the ultimate fall accessory that instantly finishes your look while keeping your fashionable and on trend Lynette figure flattering as it draws attention upward, framing your facial features using contrast colors to your base layers and the most dramatic impact. So this again is for $18. So let us take a look here and see. Okay, Lynette, don't mess up your hair. Okay, don't mess up your hair, please. All right, so that is how it looks. And of course, here in Texas, a lot of ladies wear scarves, and because it doesn't get really cold here, so that is this. I like the colors of it. They ask you an option like what colors do you want, and I'm really open to any color, so that is that. And it definitely, I like it. I would definitely wear this once it gets cold. Right now it is literally 90 degrees outside, so we are not wearing this yet, but I'm definitely excited to use this and add this to my wardrobe once it does, because you can literally wear this. Usually I see a lot of people that wear this with a t-shirt and boots, so, or a long sleeve shirt, so that is that. So you can definitely see, I can see myself wearing that. Okay, let me see here, and the next item here is an LD tote bag. What's crazy is I was literally just gonna buy a tote bag because I usually go to the store for like one or two things, and I hate to take those plastic bags for just one or two things, and I was literally gonna buy this. So this is much needed, ladies, at LD Box. So thank you very much. And it's really big compared to like the dollar store totes that you could get at the dollar store. So this one is definitely worth it. So let us see what this says. This says LD Completely Spoiled Canvas Tote. The accessory that every diva needs in her life are environmentally friendly shopping tote to handle your next trip to the market overnight getaway. This bag will have you quickly ditching plastic so you can focus on what's most important, spoiling yourself and saving the planet. So this was $20, so I am very appreciative and happy for that. So thank you very much. And then the last item here we have, it's this, which is in a plastic container. This is a jersey knit open front plus cardigan, and this is how it looks right here. And this is the sweeping open front cardigan is versatile, eye-catching layer craved by every closet, left open for a relaxed vibe. This wide open top layer offers dolman style sleeves along with a relaxed and loose fit. So let us take a look at this one. I love black sweaters because I just love black sweaters. I just love sweaters because, again, here it doesn't get really super cold, so I don't need a winter coat every time. So let me see how this feels and fits. So we can take a look here ourselves and see. Okay, so this is cool. This is actually cool for right now. I think I'm wearing that right. Yep. Okay. Making sure. All right. So this is super cool because, you know, it's not like winter where it's long, but it's short. So just in case, like here, everything is AC, air conditioner, so you can totally get cold. And this is super comfortable. So if you think about it, well, minus my shirt, ladies. So don't kill me on that. So if you think about it, this totally goes together with this scarf. So if I had, and of course I can't think of how you put this together again, so we digress. So all right, so let's just say pretend my shirt is like black or maybe whatever. So it goes together along with the scarf and then along with the watch. And then if I have rocked my necklace, this totally, and that's what I like. They kind of put things together for you that would go together. So this all goes together if you think about it. So I like it. What did you guys think? Did you guys get the Luxury Diva box this month? Did you get anything similar to mine? Anything not similar to mine? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And again, if you love subscription boxes, guys, we have a lot of subscription boxes that are coming to this channel, so definitely make sure you like and subscribe because we're sharing them all with you. But again, I will put the $5 coupon code that they gave me so that you guys can take a look at it if it's your first box, or if you just want to save some money on your box and check it out for yourself. It's cool. I will put that in the description box below, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.